Friends, nandito kami sa MBK. Malaking mall.
Namura lang.
Namura.
Pagka pumunta ka sa Thailand, di pwede hindi ka pumunta ng MBK.
Kailangan pumunta kayo dito sa MBK.
Dibenta sa Pilipinas, galing dito. Galing sa Thailand, galing dito. Okay guys, ikot tayo.
Okay.
Baba muna tayo.
Meron bag natin.
Diba yan? Zipper yan guys. Zipper yan. Mahihilo ka sa sobrang daming
Ngayon,
bilihin.
enjoy mo ngayon to, ha?
Oo. Matirang matibay. Yung iba dito dala talaga maleta para maraming Ayan ka, oh, mga balabal-balabal.
Oo.
Maghanap tayo ng ano, para kay Tech.
Mm-hmm.
Diba gusto niya mga balabal-balabal. Maghanap tayo ng magandang color.
Hindi natin tinanong kung silk o ano.
O kahit ano lang. Kahit kung ano makakita natin magandang print at kulay.ตะกี้นี่เขาไปหาขวดตัวเองมาแหละ ไปหาแม่มา
Sige, sige, sige. Kahit pinuntahan na natin na may mataas na. Ayan, sa WhatsApp nila.
Pupunta din ako sa Watson. Teka, kunin ko yung picture. Okay.
Korea.
Yeah.
Sige.
Okay, 3 of these. Madam, I recommend. Follow me. Together, step 1, step 2.
What's that? Moisturizer?
Yeah, before the sunscreen.
Oh.
No paraben, no silicone, no fragrance for men and for women. Radiant นี่ dark spot. Radiant Faker dark spot. Anti-aging collagen peptide for the strong.
Collagen.
For the pimple นี่ for the pimple for the pore.
Okay. So, moisturizer?
Yeah, moisturizing serum. Smell.
Ay, nakakalula. Ang daming pwedeng bilhin. Which one?
Treatment สปอร์ต
Oh,
buy one get one สปอร์ตคอลเลกเตอ
okay.
ร์นะ
Spot corrector.
สปอร์ต
Oh.
only dark สปอร์ตอ่ะ
Only the dark spot.
only the dark สปอร์ต
Like here?
after
Here,
this
here, here.
So
yes
so
yes
after
Yeah.
after serum,
after cream
serum, moisturizer,
yes
and then this, like just spot.
yes buy one get one
Oh.
buy one get one
Oh.
Okay, kakunin lang natin magkano naman. $12 lang, dalawa na. Thank you! Guys,
Yeah.
pwede akong iwan dito maghapon.
Yeah.
Better than Sephora para sa akin.
Yeah. Wala.
Ah, wala, nasa na yung ano ko, phone ko? Oh, doing it. Okay, thank you. Ayan guys, para sa tax refund. Daming maleta, oh.
Ilang,
Ha?
ilang floor to?
Ay, ang taas. Ayan, ati Doon, oh. Tingnan mo. Yan, maganda.
Iba yun.
Gusto ko to yung ganito, oh.
Silver.
Oo. Magkano to? Walang price.
Ayun, no?
Ito, 100 lang ka, oh. Oh, sorry. Thank you. A vintage na style. Vintage.
Tamong tela.
Ay, ang ganda. Ano tela?
Ano nakalagay? Elvis?
Ibiso.
Ibiso. Sorry. Sa.
Iiwan mo ako dito. Balikan mo na ako next week. Iiwan mo ako dito ka. Hindi naman ako magugutom. Maraming food. Ah. This is shopping heaven.
Mga chinelas ka. Pero sa itaas na, no?
Oo.
Sa taas din.
Oo.
Halika.
Punta tayo sa taas. Yung ganyan size. Yung ganyang size. Mm. Ganda. Kaya lang pag itim ang daing kapareho. Hirap hanapin. Ano yan? Zipper? Hindi. Hindi. Oh, ang ganda.
Magkakano.
May have one more. Oh, actually, let me pay for it.
Can you show me again?
Oh, para sa apo mo. Ang cute. Kita ng Pilipino si Louis Boy. How much is that?
Same price?
Same price, but 20. But that one is okay for check into? I mean, carry on to?
120 inches.
It's okay. Hi! Shout out! How are you?
Hello mga kabayan!
Ang ganda nun ano?
Maganda! Mahal!
Mahal nga lang. Hello! Shout out! So guys, 4,900. Baht. Bali divided by 30 equals USD. Kung mag 5,000 times 3, bali 150. It's too thick. How about if you open that? If you open this? Ganda sana yan ah. Parang gumanda.
Oo, dati parang ano, yung Green Hills lang na...
Oo, ito ngayon, ano. Ewan ko lang kung nirenovate nila, pero parang mas maganda, no? Mas maaliwalas, no?
So, ano ngayon ang ano, paano natin dadalhin?
It's either you have to buy extra baggage sa plane, or you get rid of the old hand carry. Ay, yun palang Don Donkey. Parang ano. Para itong Don Quixote sa Japan, Don Donkey. Ayan, sa loob. Malaki yan sa loob. Ayan. Kahapon,
Yata. Parang ganun.
USD 31.55 ang kung tigwa 100. Philippines 0.53.
Pareho lang kahapon. Ayun, mahaba. Sinasabi ko.
Ay, yung aling mahaba ga.
Mahabang highway.
Oh.
Tsaka hindi nga ganito. Mga bago na to.
Mhm. Ay, namili tayo dito noon ah. Alala mo?
Linis, oh.
Ha? Kaya malinis oh, sinusunod talaga nila. Yung mga gold nila guys, 23K. Napaka-yellow. Thai gold. Ayan oh. Very yellow.
Mga stall lang yun yung dati.
Mm-mm.
Ngayon,
Parang bago na part ito siguro. I don't know.
talagang ginawa nito.
Oo. Or bina. Dati parang makitid ano. Ang hallway. Ha? Ah, okay. Andun pa sa dulo. Ay, sa unahan. Maganda ito kasi aircon.
Yes.
No? Doon sa Bentan, mainit. At saka sa Saigon Center, no? Ay, ito, tingnan natin kung ano ang presyo dito. Mura lang yan. Mura lang yan siguro. Ay, ito.
Yan po yun.
Doon pa. Kailangan mahanap po yung ano, yung
Alin?
yung binibiling para kay Porsche. At kay ano, Pati. No. Hindi yan. Ga. Nasa... Parang maliwalas na, no?
Bago nga. Iba.
Tingnan natin kung meron dito. Wala. Wala ga. Wala. Ito ga. Oh.
Ayan, oh.
Ibang style naman yan.
Yeah, pero may ganyan.
Oh. Alam mo, kailangan ko yung ano, damit. Ha? Okay. What's the last price?
Yes, madam. You can look. Before original price is how price?
For Kim. Kim, this is your shoes, Kim. I like this for you.
Kim ni Tetch.
Kim Nitex.
Ano ni ate?
90.
Okay,
Kim,
wait.
90 for the back.
Kim, we will leave the box, Kim, ha?
90 baht.
Because it's bulky, Kim. Iwan na lang namin yung sapatos. Ay, sapatos. Ang box. Thank you. Oh, we're selling her the box. So, wala nang kahon, Kim, ha? Ganda ng mga kulay. Okay.
Ayun, friends, oh, yung baggage. Yung tinignan namin kanina.
Parang gusto namin bumili.
Parang gusto namin, kaya lang inisip namin kung paano namin iuwi.
Kasi magbabayad tayo ng ano.
Magbabayad kami ng extra. Magkano extra?
Up to $65 ang Cathay Pacific, I think.
Can put the memory
This is
card.
newer than this.
Yeah, newer than this one.
Oh. So it's oh.
That's
How?
the one?
Oh,
yeah.
it's bigger, huh? A little bigger. This one is
The
small.
size bigger, but just a little bit.
How many minutes? Just by itself, how many minutes?
This one you can put the memory card inside. This one is a built-in memory. So this one you can put like a 2 TB in this.
And then there's also memory card here.
Memory card not here. We
Oh,
put the
here.
memory card right here. Yeah.
But how many minutes after a full charge?
Fully charged. This one around 40 minutes. Is without the pot. You put into this one.
But this one is small. Is
more smaller. Yeah, but just
Smaller,
a little bit. Yeah, for me just a little bit.
what is the price difference?
So this one, we have discount. This one around 12,800 baht. This one price around 13,900.
13,000.
13,000. Yeah.
And then
they
12.
have Yeah, and this one they have a promotion. They have another bundle. Bundle is 15,900. They come with a stand. They come with a quick release mount.
Oh.
Where's the stand? How big?
It's like a mini 2-in-1 stand.
Oh, just like that.
Yeah, just like around that size. Yeah, but not this
Ayan,
one.
ayan.
Yeah.
It comes.
No.
Come with a bundle.
It's cut with
Oh,
the-
no, you have to pay.
Oh, you have to pay?
Yeah,
Yeah.
so they have two packages. 13,900 not come with the stand. 15,900 come with the stand.
Okay.
Dali mo na.
No, let me how much?
Yeah, check for sure. So okay, so if you fully charge, you can use around 200 minutes.
With this inside.
Yeah, inside
Wait,
of them.
if you remove,
When you remove it, this one you can use about. Sorry for this one, around 70 minutes.
70?
70
Removed.
minutes. Yeah, 70 minutes for remove
Remove.
it. Yeah, if you use with the pot,
200.
200 minutes.
this one, we're not even gonna talk about that one. I know it's less.
Yeah. For me, if you compare about the price, because this one they discount from 16,000 to 12,000, but the price just different around 1,000 baht. Yeah, for the standard one.
But this is newer than this.
Yeah, this is the new one.
The Ultra is newer than the Go 3S.
This one is newer, and yeah, you can change the memory card. So I think this one is better because I
What
want
kind of memory? It doesn't come with memory
They
card.
not come with a memory card. They use on the micro SD one.
Micro SD.
Yeah, so you can apply to this one. You can use maximum 2 TB.
Bakit hindi? Para at least alam natin ang presyo dito tsaka doon.
Ay, hindi alam ko na. I have. So you don't have stock even.
Right now, yeah.
Oh.
I think
Where we
in
can
Bangkok-
find where can we find?
right now in our shop, like a big camera, I check the stock in Bangkok right now. It's out of stock.
Oh.
Yeah, so maybe it's around 1 week or 2 weeks.
Maybe in Hong Kong.
Hong Kong, maybe they have.
Oh, Hong Kong maybe.
Yeah, we go to Hong Kong.
Because,